Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important judgment on section 153A. The name of the case is ABCI Infrastructure Private Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 104 ITR Tribunal at page number 95. The case has been decided by Guwahati ITAT and the date of the judgment is 5th April 2023. In this case, the assessment was pending and the assessment was going on for the assessment year 2017-18 and for the assessment year 2018-19. In the meantime, there was conducted a search on the assessee, and up to that time the assessee has not filed its return for the assessment year 2019-20 because the due date was not approaching near. After search, the notice under section 153A was issued to the assessee, and the assessee submitted all the returns in respect to the notice under section 153A in time. And for the assessment year 2018-19, 17-18 and 19-20, for the 3 years, the assessee claimed deduction under section 80IA, which deduction was not claimed by the assessee in its original return under section 139 subsection 1, meaning thereby that the assessee claimed deduction under section 80IA, which is for the infrastructure projects, for the first time in section 153A return. But the strong point with the assessee was that the assessee has filed the return under section 153A in time, thereby meaning that these returns were filed within the time allotted by section 153A notice. When the assessing officer was doing assessment under section 153A, it was the contention of the assessing officer that the assessee cannot claim deduction for the first time in section 153A returns. And in claiming deduction under section 80IA, the assessee has to file one form 10CCB, which the assessee has filed with the return under section 153A. And the another contention of the assessing officer was that deduction under section 80IA is to be allowed only if the form 10CCB has been filed within the time allotted under section 139 subsection 1. So, on these two grounds, the assessing officer denied the deduction under section 80IA. When the matter came to the CIT appeal said that when the assessee files return under section 153A, then it replaces the return under section 139 subsection 1. And if the assessee has filed form 10CCB with the return of income under section 153A, which has been filed in due time, then it is a due compliance of law and the deduction should be allowed. The department was not happy with this order, so the department moved to the ITAT, and ITAT also upheld the order of the CIT appeal and said that in this case, when the assessee has filed the return under section 153A within the time allotted under section 153A, then it replaces the return under section 139 subsection 1, and the assessment has to be done on the basis of the return filed under section 153A. And if the form 10CCB has been filed, then it will be treated as if filed within the time limit which has been there under section 139 subsection 1. Friends, this case is very important because whenever the assessment under section 153A is going on, and if the assessee has missed some deductions or allowances or exemptions which the assessee is entitled to, then the assessee is well within the four corners of the law to claim these deductions in the return filed under section 153A. But the primary condition is that the assessee should have filed its return of income within the time allowed under section 153A. Friends, from this case, a very strong message comes: we should try to comply our notices within the time. In this case, the assessment under section, the assessment for the assessment year 17-18 and 18-19 were abated because they were pending at the time of the search. So the ITAT held that the assessment is going to be made for the first time. So the assessee is entitled for all the deductions. Because in section 153A it is written that the assessee is to be allowed on all the deductions which are there under chapter 6A. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is ABCI Infrastructure Private Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 104 ITR Tribunal at page number 195. The matter has been decided by Guwahati ITAT and the date of the judgment is 5th April 2023. Thank you, friends.